Hi explorers, welcome back to my channel Fly Explore. Today we are flying off to Tokyo DisneySea to view the attraction Soaring Fantastic Flight. As always, please smash that like and subscribe button. Soaring is located in the Mediterranean harbour and this is a must visit attraction here at DisneySea. If you have been to any other park, you need to ride this version of Soaring as it's like no other. You need to get here fast, no time to stop and smell the roses. I ran as soon as the park opened at 8 o'clock, arriving at the fast pass queue at 8:07 and our ride was at 8:30 at night. If you want to wait in line, expect to wait anywhere between 310 and 360 minutes. That's 5 to 6 hours. Here is what you've been waiting for, that point of view experience of this ride. Now I do apologise as some of the next few clips are shaky and this is because they are so strict on recording and photography. I was told to put my camera away about 3 times but managed to get some of the interior and what it's like to be in the queue as well. Attention to detail is incredible with this ride, as you would expect with any ride at DisneySea. There are many paintings on the walls, all nodding to various parts of history of flight, early discoveries of the hot air balloons, the Wright brothers, the 1900 visions of what flight would be like in the future, and you are immediately hit with this huge circular area which has all those paintings in. Less about me chatting away. Enjoy Soaring Fantastic Flight at Tokyo DisneySea. And let me know what you think about this ride in the comments section below. Do you want this version at Walt Disney World or California Adventure? Let us know.
挨拶して。ファンタスティックフライトミュージアムにようこそ。そうね。ここにいる皆さんは夢を見ることが好きそうだね。私は物心がついた頃から鳥のように自由に空を飛ぶことを夢見ていました。最初に飛ばした紙飛行機が空高く舞い上がった時、空を飛ぶという私の夢を多くの人と分かち合いたいと思いました。そんな思いを胸に私は世界中の科学者や芸術家たちと協力し、空を飛ぶさまざまな手段を開発したのです。そして空を飛びたいと願い続ければ素晴らしい技術が生まれ、その夢は実現するのだと確信しました。今日は私たちの自信作ドリームフライヤーを皆さんにご紹介できて本当に嬉しく思います。皆さんの夢を見る力がこのドリームフライヤーを空高く舞い上がらせ、時空を超えた旅へと連れて行ってくれるでしょう。あれだ、ここにいる皆さんもあなたのように空を飛ぶのよ。それでは素晴らしい空の旅、ファンタスティックフライトを楽しんできてくださいね。ボンビアッチョ。